Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, Trina 100 here. So today I'm gonna give you guys an Las Vegas haul. And yes, I'm in a hotel room, but some of the clothes are hallway packed and ready to go. But I do have clips and photos I want to share. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get this started. So before I do that, I want to show you the video of the Hangover Jonas Brothers shirt. So check that out. Alright, here's the shirt my mom just got me. Wait, what says Mom?
Next weekend's no good for me. The Jonas Brothers have their Vegas residency. But any week after that is totally fine.
So there you go. I will have a Jonas Brothers video up on the vlogs here in the cards if it's available. So yeah, if you guys don't want to see it, or I don't care, it's just looking up in the video. But also the next photo is where I got the jacket, shirt and jacket from the pawn shop during the Jonas Brothers pawn shop event. So I got that. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I can't wait to put it in this some kind of a frame box thing. So this is the most pretty treasure of all. So yeah. And also finally, here's a video of me wearing the Hershey shirt. So that's where I got my Hershey shirt from Hershey's Chocolate Whale. So yeah, I really love that shirt. So anyway, that's all I got. So I think we're gonna get this all started. So anyway, I went to the Gold and Silver pawn shop and also Cash America pawn shop where I got some pawn stuff. So I just got this one right here. This is the postcard or Mexican passport. It's about time. And then also this Kevin head. Look at that, Kevin head. And then also, well, I've never seen that before. I believe there are a stack of photos. This is from Wahlburgers. So yeah, this is from Wahlburgers. So yeah, there's all the photos of Wahlburgers, and yes, that's me wearing the Jonas Brothers shirt. So yeah, and also we got 3 of those photos right here. So yeah, this is so cool. They're from Wahlburgers strip, and also the Nicholas Jonas Joy to the World, his first CD when he was younger. And then also, this is from the Gold and Silver pawn shop. So it kind of looks like made of dono, but it says world's famous for Gold and Silver pawn shop with all the great dollar stuff. So yeah, it's on the crib my phone. So anyway, this is a magnet of world famous Gold and Silver pawn shop. So I can't wait to put it somewhere at home. So yeah. And then also, there's another photo, but I think this is from Wahlburgers. So this is a photo right here. Look at that, this is from Wahlburgers. And then this one, this is called Wahlburgers that we went on the strip. So yeah. And I think that should be I think there's more. Just a lanyard. So anyway, let me get that lanyard. So this is the Gold and Silver pawn shop lanyard from the official Gold and Silver pawn shop. So yeah, it is on the Bingham wallet. So if you guys saw that, so it's on the Bingham wallet. And there's I want some money in here, there's some money in here. And I don't want to show you guys ID because there's so many post notifications on it, so I don't want to show you guys. But you get to see this right here. world famous gold and silver pawn shop Las Vegas button that is on the lanyard. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. So I really love this lanyard from the gold and silver pawn shop. So yeah, and also this button right here. So yeah, that's all the stuff from the pawn shop, including the gold and silver pawn shop and the Cash America pawn shop where the Jonas Brothers pawn shop is. And then also, my mom just got this M&M crossbody bead that says M&Ms on it on the strap. And I really love this tie-dye, and I really love this M&M bead right here. And also lost the other M&M keychain thing. I don't know what's going on here, so yeah. I think this is perfect. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty cool. This is from M&M's World, so yeah. So next up, they're from Hershey's Chocolate World. So I got the Las Vegas Kisses jar. So they put some cases in it. It's one created. So I can't wait to put this on this when I get home. But I'm gonna have to be careful of wrapping this thing back up and put it back in the bag because here we go. It's an Uncle Drive and I don't want to break it. So yeah, it's really nice. I can't wait to take this home. And then next up, the Las Vegas Mini Tray. This is from Hershey's Chocolate World as well. So it says, welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas on it. So they can see Bellagio, Wynn, Paris, and Excalibur, where I've recently stayed, and then MGM Wynn, New York, New York, all sorts of places, and also the Link Wheel, and then also the Magnet Flame. Let's go put it in the garage or I don't know, anywhere in the house. So this is the Reese's Las Vegas Flame. Not sure I'm gonna hang it up in the garage or anything else. So yeah. So this is from Hershey's Chocolate World, but I'm gonna show you the rest. So next up, we went to Paris, Las Vegas, and I just got my pink Eiffel Tower from the gift shop. I really love this white stone on it. I really love the pink on it. And it says Paris on it. So yeah, it's really cool. And I can't wait to put this on my desk. So this is so cool. So next up, this is from Hershey's Chocolate World. I got the Hershey's pillow. I think this is for the flight home, but instead I take it with me to New York and also the hotels, all the stuff. So yeah, I really love this Hershey's pillow and this for coloring. So yeah, so this is from Hershey's Chocolate World and this is Reese's on it. Because we don't love Hershey's. Check out how soft it is. So yeah, this is so good. And next up, this is the bag that is also from Hershey's Chocolate World. That says Hershey's on it. And you can put some stuff in it, so yeah. But also I got some candies in it, so yeah, but it's only a minute. So I really love this. So you can put your cup in it on the side. And also I really love this strap on it. So yeah, it's so well. And yeah, it's so cool. I really love this bag. They're from Hershey's Chocolate World. So here's what the chocolates looks like. I got Kit Kats, peanut butter cups, kisses, hugs. So yeah, this is all the stuff here. So yeah, these three cool candies. So yeah, they're from Hershey's Chocolate World. But also, I got, it is a Hershey's shoe keychain. Look at that. Can't wait to put this in the purse. I really love this white stone on it. It says Hershey's on it. That was matched by cheetah print backpack or purse. So yeah, this is really cool. And it's all brown. Look at that. So yeah, this is so cool. So this is from Hershey's Chocolate World. So next up, this is from M&M's World. So my mom just got me the pink jar of M&M things. with all kinds of colored M&Ms here. They're pink, red, white, orange, blue, green on it. So yeah, this is so cute. It even has a M&M logo here. So yeah, this is really cool. I really love M&M. So yeah, this is the one before I was hospitalized. So yeah, but I really love this M&M jar. So yeah, it's really cool. And then also one of the people from M&M's World told me that I was very good, so she gave me a free four blanket that has all the M&M characters. So yeah, I can't wait to use it on the way home and use it at home. So yeah, this is a really nice blanket. So yeah, really nice. Still from M&M's World. So the next item on the list is the Water Coca-Cola store in Las Vegas. So I just got this tiny stuffed polar bear that says Coca-Cola on it. So even though my mom loves Coca-Cola, she drinks Diet Coke. So I got this Coca-Cola polar bear with a scarf on it. So yeah, it's so cool. And then also my mom wants to get a plug for the charger that says Coca-Cola on it, and yes, she's using it right now. It even has 2 USB-A ports on it. So yeah, and also this right here, this is the Coca-Cola cord. You can use it for the cord and such. So it even has a red and white on it. So yeah, and then also I think the cord it says Coca-Cola on it. So I think it's USB on it. So and it says Coca-Cola on it. So look at this. It even says Coca-Cola on it. So yeah, it's so cool. And then also I got the Coca-Cola shot glass. And also I have a Reese's shot glass, but it's over here somewhere, but I can show it to you right now. If you guys want to see it when you get home, that's fine, but I believe that will be a bonus. So yeah, so I really love this Coca-Cola Vegas shot glass. Look at that, it says Coca-Cola on it. So yeah, this is so cool. And then also the bottle opener keychain for the Diet Coke. Because even though she does drink Diet Coke, so every time she wants Diet Coke, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the bottle opener to open up the Coke. So yeah, it says Coca-Cola Vegas on it, Las Vegas on it. So yeah. There it is. This is from the Coca-Cola store. So the next item is still from M&M's World and Hershey's Chocolate World. So I got some figurines. So there are Reese's figurine kisses and then Hershey's. So I got some figurines. I can't wait to put this somewhere in my room. And it's all about the Hershey's kisses and Reese's. So yeah. So this is from Hershey's Chocolate World. And then also this is from M&M's World. I got the brown M&M girl with glasses on it. Very smart. So yeah, this is so cute. So they're collectible figurine, and also it came with different colors. They can collect those all. So yeah, you get red, yellow, green, orange, blue, or brown. So yeah, I got the brown one. So yeah, these are from M&M's World. Alright, almost done, guys. So my mom just went to Fashion Show Mall and went to Build-A-Bear. And my mom just found me a Las Vegas Build-A-Bear shirt from one of the Build-A-Bears. So yeah, this is a pretty nice shirt. I can't wait to put it on one of the Build-A-Bears. So yeah, pretty nice shirt. And then lastly, my mom went to Apple Store and we got mix and match. So my mom just got this camo watch band the one she's wearing right now, so she loves it. So it fits on a older generation of Apple Watches. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And I just got a Keith Rose sport band. So yeah, it's really cool. I can't wait to put on the watch band. Of course, I have two Nike watch bands now. So yeah, this is really cute. I really love it, and I can't wait to wear this. So yeah, that's all I got. So there you go, guys. That's all the stuff that I got from Las Vegas. So I was going to show you the posters, but I gotta show it to you when I get home once I get it set up. So yeah, but I did show you guys all the videos and photos of the Who's Chocolate World shirts, and also Jonas Brothers shirts, and also Kevin's shirt jacket that he went for putting up while he got shopping from the pawn shop. So yeah, so anyway, I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this Vegas haul. I know it's kind of a little bit mess, so yeah, because everything's packed, and also I was trying to get things unwrapped and rewrap them. So yeah, but anyway, I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite stuff from my Vegas home. Just let me know in the comments down below. And I think in about a couple of days of the town will make it travel back home to Wichita. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want more vlogs every single day of the month, gameplays, all kinds of stuff, click on top subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end stage. Also, check out Treatment 100 Games channel and Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace